Every plant has a story to tell. But to love and respect it, we need a pot to keep it in. Our story began from the roots of the earth. Everything we are was born from the urgency to preserve life. Something with a sustainable purpose that truly honors nature and its roots. Something naturally beautiful. Artevasi was born from a family dream of more than 160 years. A dream of being a one-stop pot solution. Our vision has always been to provide the tools for nature to coexist anywhere in the world. For a plant to grow and have a happy life, it needs a pot to shelter it. Our journey begins with the creation of several ranges of plastic pots, with commitment, focus, and sustainability in mind. Here, we produce more than 30,000 pots daily in a production area of 20,000 square meters. With a circular design, our plastic pots are 100% recyclable and made with recycled plastic. Strong, durable, and eco-friendly. We created Art Supply in 2020, our very own purchase center, where we work closely with all the group suppliers, 90% of which are national. Here, we ensure that the raw materials is refined before it goes into production. Duly rooted in our Made in Portugal brand, we take great pride in the talent and production of our people. That's why we work directly with the best local artisans to produce our handmade ceramic collection, ensuring incomparable expertise to our pots. In 2022, nature has smiled at us and given us a project to nurture and perpetuate the legacy of our ancestors. In Boialvo, a small town in the district of Aveiro, over 70,000 square meters are committed to producing the most beautiful and sustainable terracotta pots. Here, over 40,000 pots are produced every day, with production and logistics running 24/7. From the pure clay to the packaging, there is a love, honor, tradition, and respect for our roots. 3 raw materials, a single purpose: to be nature's home. For nature to reach more homes in a striking way, we rely on our innovation team, guaranteeing new products and solutions in line with recent market trends, colors, and sustainable practices. We strive each day to be a 100% sustainable company with a purpose for people, planet, and business. Because we want to be ever closer to our clients, we develop attractive points of sale and customize solutions according to their needs and wishes. From a 100-meter square garage to a one-stop pot solution, we are proud to say that no dream is too big not to be dreamed. So here we are, all together, living it intensely every second. At Artevasi, we are rooting for nature.